Welcome everyone to a special edition of Travel Jack. We're here with Mr. Snowman here because we've traveled all over the world. We've been on trains everywhere. We've been on the Shinkansen in Japan. We've been on the Frecciarossa in Italy. We've gone through Germany and France on trains. But this is a very special train because we're going to the North Pole. The North Pole! And there's only one train that goes to the North Pole, and that train is called the Polar Express. We got our round trip ticket here, our golden ticket for the Polar Express. Check that out. So we're going to be going on that shortly. In the meantime, let's take a look around at some of the displays here right before we board the Polar Express. Let's check it out. All right, we've already picked up our round trip ticket on the Polar Express. This is going to be spectacular. Check this out. Wow. And we're going to start things off here in the gift shop. There's all kinds of merch that you can get based on the movie. Little train models, Polar Express robes. Really cool. You can get conductor hats.
She was down by for her silver. Thank you very much.
They've got all kinds of stuff. Lunch pails, coffee mugs, model trains, all themed to the Polar Express. It's really cool. So anyway, we're going to head on out and get on board, wait for the arrival of the Polar Express. It's going to take us to the North Pole. Let's go.
Greetings, Polar Express passengers. I am seeking passenger Antonio G. Can Antonio G. please acknowledge their presence by raising their hand? Ha! You're Antonio? I see. It says here, Antonio, no photo with the department store Santa this year, no letter to Santa, and you made someone else put out the milk and cookies. Sounds to me like this is your crucial year. Were you issued a golden ticket? Can you hold it up for me, please? Thank you. Now, how about the rest of you? If you are here for the 8 p.m. departure of the Polar Express, I need to see those golden tickets. Golden tickets high in the air, please. I have a question for all of you, including Antonio. Are you coming? Yes. Oh, come on, I've got a schedule to keep. I asked, are you coming? Yes. Well then, all aboard the Polar Express! Cars 1 through 3 are on your right, and car 4 is on your left. All aboard!
We've been expecting you, Jack.
Oh, thank you.
And this stamp was especially chosen for you.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard.
Woo! Thank you so much.
Of course.
Attention Polar Express passengers. May I have your attention, please? This is your conductor speaking. On behalf of myself and our entire Southern California crew, we would like to say, welcome aboard the Polar Express. It is clear to me that you have arrived today for your journey at the perfect moment. Since your boarding, our stewards have personally stamped your golden tickets. I would like for each of you to now hold that ticket up and in front of you, like this. Passengers, look carefully at the stamp on your ticket. This stamp was chosen just for you. It stands for something that we hope you learn today on your trip. It stands for something that is to be carried with you after your journey is complete. You see, passengers of the Polar Express, you have boarded today for one very important reason. This is your crucial year. So, I would keep those tickets in a very safe place if I were you. And I look forward to coming through your car very soon to see them. And one more thing. I would like to take this moment to congratulate each of you for climbing aboard and joining us on this very special journey, where a change of heart just might occur. See, one thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on.
Actually, to get high in the air, very good.
I have just given the signal for our journey to begin. But before we can depart, you must all answer a very important question. Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Let's do better than that.
I repeat,
All right,
are
everybody.
you coming?
That was great.
That was great.
That was a lot more energy this time.
Energy. I'm so excited to start going.
I'm excited for an excited carriage,
Oh,
huh?
all right. Chugga, 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 chugga.
I see
chugga,
that
chugga,
excitement.
chugga, chugga,
I see
chugga.
that excitement. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
The Polar Express!
You see our train is moving.
Express passengers, this is your conductor speaking. I apologize for this unscheduled stop. I am heading outside to see what is causing the delay. As you know,
Are you guys doing
we
okay?
are on a very tight
We are on a tight schedule. I wonder what's going on.
Smokey!
Zoe said she's going to go check and see what happened.
Why have we stopped? Caribou crossing. Maybe even a million. This is some serious jelly. We need to clear those caribou off the track now. There can be no Christmas without the Polar Express arriving on time. Attention crew. We need help from the passengers to clear this caribou herd off the track. We are on a very tight schedule.
Okay, everyone, we need your help. Say it with us. Clear those caribou off the track.
Clear those caribou off the track. Clear those caribou off the track. Clear those caribou off the track. Clear those caribou off the track. Clear those caribou off the track. Clear those caribou off the track. Clear those caribou.
Oh man, we could not have done it without you.
I need to say
Alright.
one thing more. Thank you.
If we were caribou, what would we do? We would jump right off that track,
Just like that.
out of the way.
I know.
Oh man,
Yes.
that was stressful.
Greetings, passengers. Hello, everyone.
Salutations, fellow travelers! Welcome aboard the Polar Express.
We would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Miriam.
My name is Devin. My name is Payne.
And my name is Rachel. On the count of three, we would love to know your name. Shout it out. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Jack!
Impressive. There's definitely more energy for the passengers on our half of the car. I think the passengers on our half of the car are a bit more excited. Count of three. Everyone on our half, shout your name as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I bet we can beat that. So everyone on our half, ready?
Yeah.
On the count of three, shout your name. 1, 2, 3. Welcome aboard. We've been expecting you. You have? Is this you? Yes. Well, this is a report from the conductor, and it says here, no photo with the department store Santa this year, no letter to Santa, and you made your sister put out the milk and cookies. Is all of that true? Yes. Well then, sounds to me like this is your crucial year. Ticket, please. I'm not sure I have a ticket. Try your pocket. There's nothing in this pocket. There's a hole in it. Try your other pocket. Thank you. This stamp. It looks like a letter. What does it mean? Nothing that I need to know. Welcome aboard.
Well, hello there, everyone. How many of you can see me? Maybe some of you can, some of you can't, but one thing is for sure. Seeing is believing. Am I right? Seeing is believing. Now, where's my manners? For those of you who can see me, allow me to introduce myself. I am the proud owner of this train. It's like I'm the king of this train. The king of the Polar Express. I hop aboard this rattler anytime I feels like it, cause I like to meet the Polex passengers who are all on this very important journey. And I'm very curious about those golden tickets of yours. For those of you that has a golden ticket, hold them up for me, will ya? High in the air, golden tickets, high in the air. Well, looky there. Those are official, authentic, genuine tickets to ride. If I was you, I'd keep those in a safe place. They was given to all of yous for a reason. Even some of you, can I say, of the elder persuasion, that maybe forgets things. Maybe you're a doubter. Maybe because you don't see, you don't remember. And maybe this is your crucial year. Sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
Your attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers in need of refreshment? Anyone want hot chocolate?
Attention, Polar Express passengers! This is your conductor speaking. I have a question for you. What kind of drink is never on time? Hot, choco, late.
Time to take a closer look at your golden tickets.
My ticket has something stamped on it. So does mine, but I don't know what it means. It looks like it says L.E.
Mine looks like a single letter. Everyone has something stamped on their ticket that was chosen just for them. And by the end of our journey today, everyone should know what their stamp means. Here aboard the Polar Express.
Also known as a Baldwin 284 S3 Class steam locomotive.
Built in 1931 at the Baldwin Locomotive Works.
Also known as the Magic Train.
Ooh, the Magic Train.
Speaking of magic, what's the name of the magical guy who lives at the North Pole? On the count of 3, I want everyone to shout his name. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's right, Santa. Now on the count of 3, everyone shout out what Santa says. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, ho ho ho.
Hey, let's hear some solo ho-ho-hos. If one of us puts our microphone in front of you, we need you to give us your best and loudest ho-ho-ho.
That's a great idea.
Okay, everyone ready? I'll start with you. Ready, go. Oh, 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 oh.
Just like Santa. Can you say ho ho ho? We can do it together. Ho ho ho. All right.
Okay, on the count of three, everyone in the car to shout out your best ho ho ho's. All together. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Say, they was some good impressions. But let me ask all of you something. What exactly is your persuasion on the big man since you brought him up? You can imitate him, but do you really believe?
I want to believe.
But it's all a bunch of humbug?
We just passed Turklesheimer's department store, and the Santa in the window was a mechanical robot.
Aha! And you feel duped, railroaded, bamboozled. You saw something in life that made you doubt. It's the end of the magic, huh, kid?
I don't know.
Well, remember, sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
What about my ticket?
What about it?
There's something stamped on it. It looks like a letter. What does it mean?
What does that stamp on your ticket mean? Nothing I need to know. Let me ask you something, kid. What do you hear?
I don't hear anything. I think the bell on your hat is broken.
Let me ask all of yous who can see me. Raise your hand if you can hear my bell.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Hardly anyone hears it. I'd hold on tight to those golden tickets. This is your crucial year.
Young lady, why aren't you in your seat?
I'm talking to the king of the Polar Express. That guy right there. Can't you see him?
I don't see anyone. And I don't hear anything. Wait, I do hear something. It's the sound of a ringing bell.
You can hear the bell?
I need you to please take your seat. Thank you.
Attention, Polar Express passengers. This is your conductor speaking with an update on our journey. We have successfully navigated this sled around a herd of caribou, through Glacier Gulch, over a frozen lake, and we just crossed it. Latitude 66 degrees, 33 minutes north.
The Arctic Circle!
The Arctic Circle.
I knew that.
It is from this location that, if we are lucky, we will be able to see one of nature's most beautiful spectacles.
Aurora Borealis.
The Northern Lights.
Oh, to clarify, the Northern Lights are also known as Aurora Borealis.
Thank you.
You bet. The Northern Lights are a spectacular natural light display seen in the Earth's sky in high regions.
But only on very cold and very clear and very special nights.
And it looks like it's going to be one of those very special nights. Passengers, for your astonishment, the Polar Express presents the Northern Lights. Passengers of the Polar Express, this is your conductor speaking with a journey update. Considering the climate in which we are now traveling, the outdoor temperature has dropped considerably, so I would advise
Excuse me,
all
Mr. Conductor,
passengers
sir,
to
but I have a plan to fight the chill.
carry on.
Let's all warm up by doing one of my favourite things, the polar twist!
I love the polar twist!
On each chorus of the song, we want all of our passengers to stand and do the polar twist with us. We will let you know when it's time to dance, but first, let's start by warming up our hands.
Well, it's all your night and sharing is the light. Christmas is a time to celebrate. So put yourselves together for Christmas weather and then the candlelight away. Hey, we're gonna share it out, let's take a hug it, yeah. We're gonna close the light and you'll talk loving. We'll be heading deep.
Time for the dance break. I am seeing some very impressive pajama jamming in that car.
This next dance break is for our adult passengers. We expect full participation. Get ready!
Time for the second dance break.
Very good.
Very good, everyone.
Which of course now makes this a local movie.
Thank you for that. Wishing on a star and trying to believe that even though it's far, he'll find me Christmas Eve. I guess that Santa's busy, 'cause he never comes around. I think of him when Christmas comes to town. The best time of the year, when everyone comes home with all this Christmas cheer, it's hard to be alone. Putting up the Christmas tree, with friends who come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town.
Presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I've heard about, but never really seen. No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way.
Presents Christmas Eve,
hoping Santa's on his way. When Santa's sleigh bells ring, I listen all around. The herald angels sing, I never hear a sound. But all the dreams of children, once lost, will all be found.
that's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas for us.
Christmas.
Christmas. We say it together.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Attention, Pole X passengers! I have something very important to tell you. Hearing that song gets me every time. It makes me ask the question, do you believe in something even when it seems to be lost?
I believe. I believe.
Let's put that to the test, kid.
I still can't hear the bell.
Sometimes, the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
I believe. I hear it. I hear it. I believe.
You did it, kid!
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Now, what was that you said?
I believe. I believe I heard the bell ring.
What bell?
The bell on that guy's hat. He's gone, but I heard it. I heard the bell.
I see. Is this the bell?
Yes, sir.
Well then, there's but one thing to do. The first gift of Christmas. This bell is a wonderful symbol of the spirit of Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Better keep that in a safe place. The true spirit of Christmas lies in your heart for all who truly believe.
Hello there! Are we excited to see Santa? Isn't it wonderful Santa chose to come visit the train today? We landed all the reindeer in the sleigh on the roof, and I made sure all the reindeer had 3 carrots each so that they'd be nice and full for our next flight. Are you excited? What are you gonna say to Santa? What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say?
I'm gonna say Merry Christmas,
Merry
Santa
Christmas.
Claus.
He's coming up really soon, okay? Get excited!
Thank you, thank you.
Can I have your attention, everyone? Santa's about to leave.
Just remember, the true spirit of Christmas lies in your heart for all who truly believe. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Goodbye, Santa! I'm gonna miss the guy.
So, passengers of the Arctic Circle, our journey will soon come to an end. We've so loved having you aboard the Polar Express.
Along with your beautiful bells, we hope you have something new to take with you. In here.
We have new knowledge! We know what the LE on our ticket means.
It means learn. Although we know a lot of things, we needed to learn that patience and a little bit of humility will serve us well. Evelyn, Josh, and Kim helped us learn that today. Thank you.
Hey, show us your bell.
It's gone!
No. What do you mean it's gone? Where is it?
There's a hole in my pocket. I lost it. I lost the bell from Santa.
Don't worry. We'll find it. We'll help you. All of us. Wait. Look. I heard you lost something, young lady. And Seth found this. It has your name on it.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Seth. There's no greater gift than the gift of friendship. Merry Christmas, Seth.
Thank you so much for your help, Seth.
Now, who's your gift from?
Santa!
Really? What a beautiful bell.
There's a note.
And what does your note say?
Found this on one of the seats of this train. Better fix that hole in your pocket. Mr. C.
Santa found my bell.
One thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Merry Christmas.
Hello, everyone. Remember me? So let me ask all of you something. What exactly is your persuasion on the big man now? I'm curious. Raise your hand if you saw Santa himself today. Hands up if you saw the big man in person with your very own eyes. Raise them up. Hey, you too, some of you adult types. Did you see him? Yeah. Well then, hands up. Well, looky there. So maybe, just maybe, that spirit of Christmas came back to here. I understand that maybe over, can I say, the train ride of your life, you've been left bamboozled, duped, heartbroken, and you couldn't keep the big man in here. But maybe now, today, right here, at this moment, you're rethinking this whole thing. You look in the faces of these young people, and you see it, and you remember. And so, Polex passengers, it's time to see, to check. Remember earlier today when you was a doubter and you couldn't hear the sound of the bell on my hat? Let's see how many of you hear it now. Raise your hand if you can hear my bell. Say, that's a big difference from when I rang it earlier in our journey. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened. I know what happened. It's a magic carpet on a rail, and it never takes a rest. Flying through the mountains and the snow. You can ride for an hour and join in the fun, and by the end, all you gotta do is say yes. Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you who once again believe.
Attention passengers, this is your conductor speaking with one final announcement. We have safely returned to our point of origin and reached our journey's end. On behalf of the entire Southern California crew, we hope you have enjoyed your time aboard the Polar Express. Before we part ways, if I may ask you to do just one more thing. Take out your golden ticket and hold it in front of you, like this. One special ticket. When you boarded earlier, we considered that quite possibly this was your crucial year. We hope over the course of today's journey that you now know what the letter on your ticket stands for. It's a word we'd like for you to keep close to your heart throughout the year. If you know the letter's meaning, then hold your bell high in the air, and together, on the count of 3, we will ring our bells while we call out this very word. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, that was fantastic. Do you believe? We saw Santa Claus. Went to the North Pole. All right, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. And stay tuned. We got lots more content coming up. In the meantime, get out there, explore your world, go to the North Pole, see Santa. And we'll see you in the next video. So long, everybody.